Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be comparing Nobara Linux versus Bazzite. These are two of the most popular gaming distros in 2025. So which one is actually gonna give you the better experience for PC gaming? Let's just break that down in today's video. First of all, let's talk about Nobara Linux. So Nobara is based on Fedora and was created by the developer behind Proton GE. It is designed for desktop gamers who want everything ready out of the box. Now you will get pre-installed tools like Wine, OBS and gaming tweaks that is gonna save you a lot of time. It also supports multiple desktop environments like Genome and KDE with custom enhancements to make it easier for beginners. There are performance that is solid and some users mention occasional installer issues, although everything is solid. Overall, Nobara feels like a traditional Linux desktop but optimized for gaming. Now let's talk about Bazzite. Bazzite is also Fedora based, but it is built with a Steam OS like experience in mind. It comes with Steam, Lutris, Heroic, Launcher, and control support pre-installed. The big difference is its immutable system with atomic updates, meaning that it is super stable and you can roll back easily if something breaks. Bazzite shines on the handhelds and living room setups, but it also runs great on desktops. Gamers report smoother performance in demanding tiles and it feels very console-like. The only caution is the future Fedora changes that may affect the older 32-bit game support. Now, the question here is which one should you choose? Now, if you want a gaming ready desktop with all the usual applications and flexibility, Nobara is a great pick. But if you want a console style experience with stability and top gaming performance, Bazzite is hard to beat. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.